There you go. Say hi.
Look how I'm getting her. You see right on her wings. So her
Kayleen,
wings
can you say hi?
so she doesn't fly.
Okay.
Do you have an egg?
Wait, can you put it down so I can't?
Well, here, you can
Be
grab her just
gentle with
as
it.
she
Can you
is.
hand it to Miss Tracey?
No? Okay.
Okay, well, be gentle with it. Hi, Caleb.
Like this?
And kind of, oh wait, in here. Let me hand her to you. Put your both arms out. Okay. Put both arms out.
Oh, you get that, cabbage.
Now put, yeah, and put one. You perfect.
You get
Let me see, Jazzy. Let me see, Jazz.
Look at your mama.
Say hi. It's a video.
I want her to peck her. No, don't look her right in the eyes. There we go.
What do you have, Jazzy?
She might like your bows.
A chicken.
A chicken. And there's the egg.
Baby.
Okay, say bye.
Mimi, say bye-bye.
Bye.